guys, welcome back to, guess where you are, Mika's Kitchen Creations. I will be doing Jamaican Brown Stewed Chicken today. So here we have approximately 4 pounds of chicken. I washed it thoroughly with vinegar and lime. The first thing I'm gonna do is to put my 5 cloves of garlic, half a cup of escallion, habanero pepper. Use as much as some people love hot pepper, while some people no pepper. But I love pepper, so I might even add some more ginger, guys, paprika, all-purpose chicken seasoning. So I just mix them all together. About a cup of bell peppers. I have red and green. It depends on the colors, that just for color. I also have a cup of tomatoes. I'm crazy, guys. I like the fun. Half of onion chopped. Usually I use fresh thyme, guys. I don't have any fresh thyme today, so I am using dried thyme. Allspice. In Jamaica we call it, that's a must in jerk, guys. When I do my jerk chicken, you're gonna see that. So now we have all our seasonings in. You know what we're gonna do now, guys? We're gonna mix. So you go in. If you notice, I didn't use any salt at all. I really don't use salt because that all-purpose seasoning that I put in there and the chicken seasoning, they all have salt. So I really don't use salt. Guys, you should smell this. Oh my god. You should smell the aroma. Some people, you like to leave the skin on. I just don't like leaving the skin on. So I took my skins off, but you can do it with your skin on if you like. And then if you don't, you can also not cut it so small. You can leave bigger cuts for your chicken, like a whole leg, and still brown stew. But you know what? Just chop it across a little bit, right down to the bone, so that when you season it, it goes right down to the bone. Guys, Jamaicans season to the bones. And when you see me measure my seasonings out for you just now, guys, it's only because I know I'm catering to people from all different countries. But let me tell you something, Jamaicans don't measure their seasonings. I'm telling you guys. I read something. One lady says, we just season until our ancestors say stop. Guys, as the name suggests, brown stewed chicken. So we're gonna brown it first and then stew it after. To brown your chicken, keep your fire on medium to high. And that's why, guys, I go look for this. Oh, look at my pot. I go look for this tough cast iron old pot. It can take any amount of beating up. What you do for brown stew, all that seasonings, you remember that we put on it, guys? All that seasoning. I'm using coconut oil. My coconut oil. You're trying to get color on the meat. That's the whole aim. It's not really cooking the meat yet fully. Just getting color. That's the aim right here for now. I think my pot is ready now. I see it smoking. So what I'm gonna do, remember all the onions, kelly, and everything that was on the oil, the chicken. Take them off one by one. We're gonna, you guys, so it can be brown. You know what I would love for you to do, guys? Just smell what's going on here, the aroma. Oh my god, I feel like I should start eating it. Guys, I can hardly hear myself. This chicken is bubbling. I'm turning it on the other side now. Woo! Man, it's going wicked and wild over here. The aroma is killing me. Look at what is left after I scrape the chicken off. After throwing them in here, you're gonna go with your next batch until you brown everything off. I am gonna add 2 cups of boiling water. 2 cups of boiling water. This is now the process where it's gonna have to kind of soak through the chicken properly. The first time when we browned it, it was not cooked. And if you brown your chicken and it gets a little dark, because mine got a little dark, that's okay. We need that dark. We need it. When it cooks down in the gravy, you're gonna see that dark is gonna cancel out all the ones that are not so dark. All right, cover it a little bit. I'm gonna put just a little red wine. And as well some, now that I've shown you so much guys, I think it's time now you can go ahead and subscribe, share, because we want more people to hop on with us guys. We can't have all this goodness going on and keep it to ourselves. Hit the notification bell guys, because if you don't hit the bell, when I post videos you won't get to see them. The last thing I'm gonna toss is just this onions and green pepper escallion that I had left behind, so that this will just give it a nice color combination. So we're gonna leave it now to just simmer down. Yep. Red wine in my brown stewed chicken. Red wine, my brown stewed chicken. Red. I'm so crazy. Mika's Kitchen Creation. Woo, I'm dying to make my song. Mika's Kitchen Creation. Here to cook for the nation. Come let us cook like an iron girl. Jump into my kitchen, jump into my world.